Ni Raramba, to all our friends tuning in from Fiji and around the world. Kita datang abi kemenin lubebiti ni abeto kan bulu main abi balimbulah ya nanon ta benua. Ni anda pernah kan ling de pinggir abi hotel di bulang isar benua. Sama cukup main nanon ta benua mata ka dai anda mata ka kemenin anda singa lewu anda kavi anda be tapan ni werindu di pinggir abi. And nanon ta na tourism industry. Ni anda ni mata binaka.
Aber well, good morning to those sitting in from Nausori side. Good morning from Nausori side. Yohan Selala, Buwais, Mosi, and Motai. Likewise to everyone who tuning in Facebook page this morning and the YouTube channel in VTFM. Thank you very much for tuning in. Joining us in this beautiful and wonderful morning. Yesterday, already cracked the laziness. Monday. Cracked the laziness. Today is a beautiful day.
If you think laziness is part of your life, please. Do whatever needs to be withdrawn from your life.
Yes.
If you got some laziness, if you got something that take you back, please withdraw that laziness or anything that hold you back. You deposit a good thing in your life. You move forward because time and tide wait for no man. Time and time is continuous in our life. Cross country.
Cross country.
Jaya timbu la any style ba taxi and kuka ba taxi. It's going the cross country. Now it's going to the S-Bend, Nausori Highlands. See here, Luka. Singatoka Road, Nandi Road, Embuto Road.
Sandina.
Right on top. He stopped. He watching out Spalangi show before moving.
Okay, warna tok sarang kiri ratu tau. Na boleh besar bito kan boleh ngom na dol ki mbango
I don't know.
Dol ki mba. Dol ki nanji.
Alright.
And matagri ko antum belum pernah kemanan dari batu ke batu borong boleh main mata kenda indai. Okay, this morning we'll talk about a few things
Okay.
Matai nanrakin bata-bata enda bakilat ko ngon go bata kida benua. Ni buru-buru, please, Dems.
Okay.
The geographical view of the earth according to Auspalangi show.
Before we going to the earth, we are going to Naongo. Naongo from Tokay Malora. This is Sivo Aporosalettinera to Tabukira to Mayale, Kebatunga Vikau, and Nimomo Salu. Joining this morning and also to Tadina Mosi and the gang joining from Nausori this morning.
Okay, we'll start off with the equator, then you.
Like equator is a middle part of the body of the earth. Okay, nabi mama nindo na bura-bura.
Right.
So whenever you see the coconut, you see the equator. Because coconut, there is a backbone of the coconut. We use a knife, we use a stone to collab. Membola. If you miss the equator of the coconut, that will crooked. That thing will crooked. Bro, I say koitan na bro. You'll miss. If you miss the crooked. If you don't. If you put
what is right?
Namo na indolukina. The no more crooked, only shekel.
And you can drink the juice.
That's the equator. Equator divided in two parts.
Right.
There is a north pole, a south pole. Both the pole, the similarities of the pole, they are cold in pole.
Cold.
Cold. And only Maliwa. There is ice between them. The ice between them. Between the pole and the equator, there is a tomb. Na pura-pura. Sini tomb na.
What's the more?
There is
imaginary
ocean. Where there is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Indian Ocean.
Right. Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean already.
Okay. Atlantic. Antarctic.
And Technic Ocean. Another one is a Technic Ocean.
What is Technic Ocean?
Technical drawing.
Technical injury.
So everything will technically
that's coming from our careless of us. Technicosan. Coming from climate change. Yeah, and the different technology that develop in the form of a crooked and broken equator. If the I don't know I don't know who was the first one to see the Earth. To see the Earth as the Earth is circle.
Tina.
Who said that the Earth is gravity? That's why we ask. And some people said it's different from the moon.
Some say it's flat, some say it's round.
The
kelabata ba ko tukuna ni rawani. No comment kasi meron me read man the bird's eye view of the Earth. Yes, because that time them and Samu, the people who say that the Earth is round, they never flew. All right, flew.
Nobody move away from the Earth to see how the Earth is being like this.
Right.
When you see like this on the top of the sea level, you see the horizontal line. And you see the horizontal line. Run. Run. When you move to the horizontal line, the horizontal line keep on moving.
Right.
See? You only can see the horizontal line if you are in the land. If you're in the sea, you'll never see a horizontal line.
Very sorry.
Right. Okay. Take us to the climate. The equator, hot. As you move away, it's cold. Why? Please tell us why.
The equator is close to the sun.
Okay.
The sun is
the
middle.
Equator is from the sun.
The equator is close to the sun. The North Pole, because it's on top, on down. So the equator is close. It's where because they're round. You can't see Earth move to the sun. You can't see the sun move to the Earth. They consistent apart.
The distance.
Correct.
If
If you let the sun move to the Earth, the Earth will destroy in former small particles of life.
Thank you very much, Demis. Thank you very much, Demis.
Ozone layer.
Right, go. Totally go.
Ozone layer.
Okay.
Ozone layer is a layer that protects the Earth from the hotness of the sun. If you burn, if you factorize the Earth, if you keep on pollute the Earth, the ozone layer itself will becoming a mosquito net. The mosquito from outside will enter the tunnel. That's like the sun rays
skin
into
cancer and all this kind of
skin cancer will cause tooth decay.
Oh, so that's why.
That's
why sometimes it's very hot.
Okay.
Very hot.
Last one. Is it good?
It's good.
What's your opinion? Samu, iko bula bona equator, North Pole to South Pole, please.
South Pole.
Why?
Because it's warm.
All right.
It's normal. The weather is normal. Sometimes it's sunny. Sometimes it's.
You go to the South Pole, you wearing sari.
Sari.
Okay, James.
All right. I want to be the equator.
Right. Tell us more.
Equator is a middle of anything.
Right.
If you see the equator, you see life. Because equator, it's not only hot. South Africa, that side, it's desert. It's hardly you see a desert or a coolness in it's a fair
deal.
Fair deal ko lang siyang gare-gare.
So you want to live in the equator because you don't want to wear clothes?
No, we wear clothes. In the equator, if you don't wear clothes,
Mamba.
you have different animals. There is many animals in the equator. It's very larkiny. If you don't wear clothes in the equator, your skin will dry.
Right.
Your body will weak. Your organ will be surprised.
The nightlife in the equator. How's the nightlife?
The nightlife in the equator is like this. Sometimes, when you sleep,
You feel lonely?
You feel lonely.
Isa.
If you don't have a partner, you look a partner.
Yeah.
Kung nabanggaran to, you look for another one.
Oh, luka.
You can see the stars because there's no roof.
You see the star, you see the life. If you see the moon, you see the girl.
Yeah.
If you see the sun, you see the man.
Yeah.
You see any nature thing,
Yeah.
it'll define a human body in your life system.
Wanna now.
What about you luka and you sight to one tree, only one tree there,
Yeah.
and you see mamba.
Who is Mamba?
Mamba from
Kung kung
Africa.
lori in the desert,
Yeah.
sinabi ko sa taman ni Jun.
And they told you,
Yeah.
come, we're going hunt.
Wow! It's a lovely. It's a lovely.
Hunt tiger, lion.
Mamba, ako nung ko rin daw sa labit sa tawa. Unong ko rin mama sa rika muskuri tolo kita bani guawa.
If not,
So, okay. What you
we're
sing
going hunt
Yeah.
monkey,
Yeah.
Okay.
babu.
Yeah.
Right. What you sing No may pakasala men daw lumanan no ta nabi kambula.
Love the nature around you.
Yeah.
Nature play a major role in our life,
Yeah.
in our ecosystem,
Yeah.
in the earth.
Right.
Without green,
Yeah.
without vegetable,
Yeah.
without nature, we can't survive as our own.
Yeah.
Because the cycle, the processing,
Yeah.
of life in
Yeah.
the world depends on them. We depends on them.
Yeah.
They depends on us.
Right.
So if you want to be a healthy person,
Yeah.
you eat vegetable.
Yeah.
If you want to breathe oxygen for life,
Yeah.
for a
Eat vegetable.
You know,
Yeah. It's
you drink,
vegetable.
you breathe from the tree.
Ah.
Tree too, they want carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
They need us
Yeah.
to make them. If there is less tree
Yeah.
in the world to drink the carbon, to breathe the carbon dioxide,
Yeah.
so who will be there to breathe the carbon dioxide?
Yeah.
It's us human.
Tina
So
sa.
love the nature.
Yeah.
If you love the nature, you don't want to cut trees.
Yeah. Tina.
If you love the nature, you don't want to pollute them.
Kata grass.
If you cut the grass,
Yeah.
you will never love the flies. The flies play a major role in life, even though we say they are dirty. No,
Yeah.
it's not dirty.
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah.
When somebody is nganga,
Yeah.
you
Like
see
a tamale.
tabale,
Yeah.
yung nganga.
On Sunday.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Nindu ay nganga.
Yeah.
If you see the flies, they don't want to go raw in the food.
Yeah.
That means is nganga. They play a major role in life. That's nature.
Thank you very much, Demis. Yeah.
You hate them.
So yung tamale susu lango.
You.
Susunod ako rin. Namamang ko.
Kaya kain rendre o datan lang ko pinakatanong kale utungor ng beruru. Liu ng beruru muren na mo ko.
Marami ka rin
Hey, minabalebu, love the nature, love you not Patel, love
Punjes.
Punjes, and we love you. Thank you very much. It's not for fun.
Yeah.
It's not only for fun.
Yeah.
It's only for education.
Education.
Yeah.
Well,
Siya nga wala nga ni kanibenda na bati katal nga ni bula na besi nga katal nga ni buli. Dababi ni binakati ko ni dake ni bula bula siri ko.
Dina.
Maraw tak.
Amundo.
boy, yeah.
Chico binasa na nga.
It's different when you school from FNU
Yeah.
and you come to walk in the radio station.
Din.
Musuto.
Hey.
Isa now, Sidiki Morris in
Yeah.
from America, and likewise
Yeah.
to Tawata, Jada Timbiu,
Yeah.
crossing the border.
Boy,
Thank you very
nga,
much
yeah.
for tuning in.
Oy.
Melitamani,
Yeah.
Undita Sirilo, Tamay Malem Bulabinaka. Thank you very much for tuning in. John Kumar.
Yeah.
Eh, bye! Kay Jatu,
Ratu Black, ano bina, Ratu
Iya,
Black.
iya.
Pandai bina boleh besar nasi macam kemaya nama takni kuah.
Iya.
Apakah kena be imbula sia foti, single dah kena be brother still lako.
Iya.
Oh,
Ada sia brother. Wanda baru mamadal sa
Bulsa
rongot
tua.
sa takni kuah. Hine, se hain, bina boleh besar.
Han Papi.
Boleh besar.
Jay da timbi sa hangol lo to, pinangol sa to ni binana buni bingkara bi kenengol ngol sombo na dolo kay
Ba. Iya.
Pag hindi binaka na buni bingkara ni kuha,
Iya.
kaya type sa to. We can sara, not only that.
Iya.
Tamay makelina. To
Iya.
everybody joining this morning, even though some of us we angradize about this show. No. Hindi daw dun rabata. No, we are here for fun.
Iya.
We are here for
Humor.
For humor.
Iya.
Humanitarian means
Iya.
ikaw mamurta lini mo vegetarian.
Iya.
Ikaw mamurta ka nalo mamu enan rin ikaw.
Right, donu boy.
Vegetarian,
Iya.
humanitarian,
Iya.
wate kina
Iya.
blestarian.
Iya.
Nabi bakalo nga tatake nabi muri kan.
Iya.
Si?
Iya. Ya usah ngamin.
Iya.
Ay, karay.
boleh bilang tu any saimbula, Seni boy lisi, seru delay.
Bagaimana nak kadar bitokan bulmai? Sa kutsuka nanda itu laki ada mata dikuah, na boleh besar hine, na boleh besar bitokan bulmai mata kabina dikuah. Kemudian nabi kan, ya pun ada pengen di warung kalau bikin. Mereka kisah mata lihat nama mata ke di mata ka, kita selalu membimbi tu ya ni.
Naka.
Dua rotol tu bang mode.
Hip hip. Nah, mode like hat, guys ya